Welcome to Business Kits. Let's look at how to start using your business documents to stay organized and compliant. First, go to your document library and click into the business folder. Inside, you'll find workflows grouped by purpose, like business registration, accounting, agreements, and general administration. Each workflow includes templates for important business documents, such as shareholder agreements, company constitutions, board resolutions, confidentiality agreements, revenue share contracts, and more. Click Create to open a document. Assign the document to a profile. Follow the prompts to create the form and save it to your business profile for easy access later. Each file can be linked to your business profile to keep everything centralized and up to date. Staying on top of these documents helps you meet your obligations under the Corporations Act and protects your directors from risk. If you need help, click the purple Get Started widget on the dashboard or book a welcome call with our team. Get started today by exploring your business folder in the document library.